In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Edge tabs with Copilot AI effectively. Whether you're a multitasker juggling numerous tasks across various tabs or someone who likes to keep their browsing experience streamlined, Copilot AI is an excellent tool to help manage your Microsoft Edge tabs efficiently. Let's begin by opening Microsoft Edge. Take a moment to launch the browser. You might also want to ensure that any essential tabs you frequently use are open, as we'll be managing and organizing them shortly. Once you have Edge open and ready, look towards the top right corner of your browser window. Here, you'll notice the Copilot icon. Go ahead and click this icon to initiate Copilot. This is your central hub for engaging with AI-powered assistants throughout your browsing experience. Now, with Copilot enabled, let's move on to viewing all your open tabs conveniently. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and A simultaneously on your keyboard. Instantly, you'll see a sidebar that provides an overview of all the tabs you currently have open in your session. This feature is particularly helpful for those of us who tend to accumulate a lot of tabs throughout our day-to-day activities, as it offers a neat overview without the hassle of navigating through each tab individually. Next, let's utilize the Copilot AI's ability to categorize or summarize these tabs. In the sidebar, you can ask Copilot to either summarize the content of the tabs or to categorize them based on their content. For example, you might have tabs related to work, others for personal errands, and maybe a few for entertainment and relaxation. Categorizing these allows for a clean, organized workspace where you can jump into specific categories based on your current focus or task. Following categorization, Copilot offers a feature to create tab collections. These collections operate like digital folders for your tabs. Imagine having a set of tabs you need every time you work on a specific project or topic. You can ask Copilot to create a new collection while selecting the tabs you want within that group. A fantastic tool for saving time and maintaining focus. Lastly, Copilot also provides options to manage your tabs by closing, pinning, or rearranging them as needed. For instance, if you have tabs that are crucial and you often revisit them throughout your day, pinning these tabs can keep them readily accessible. On the other hand, easily closing and rearranging tabs ensures that your browsing doesn't become overwhelming. Now that you know how to fully utilize Copilot AI in organizing your Microsoft Edge tabs, you can enjoy a more streamlined and efficient browsing experience. Whether you're managing your day or simply keeping distractions at bay, this tool can make a significant difference in how you navigate and control your digital workspace. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful in optimizing your Microsoft Edge use with Copilot AI.